In this video, I will talk about 5 most famous scholarships that will give you opportunity to study fully free in a foreign country. I have made several videos separately on these scholarships in my channel about the documents you need to apply, the application process, the interviews that you will have. So watch them please. And the scholarships that I haven't made a video about yet, I will do it in future, so stay tuned. The first scholarship is Stipendium Hungaricum. It's a fully funded scholarship provided by the government of Hungary. I have talked a lot about the scholarships and I am one of the holders of these scholarships, and I'm doing my PhD with the scholarship in Hungary. Talking about the programs and the degrees, you can apply for any degree you want. It includes bachelor, master and PhD. Talking about the program, depending on the country where you're from, you can see in the website of the scholarship which program you can apply for, but mostly it includes all the programs. So some exceptions can be that for example, from specific countries you can't apply for medicine or I don't know, engineering or something like that. So please check their website, and of course I will share the website of these scholarships down and you can check it. So talking about the eligibility, there is usually no age limits on the scholarship. Requirements will depend on the programs, of course, universities and the degree you have, but again it's quite easy, and most students, international students, can apply for these scholarships and they can be successful because as far as I'm concerned, there are more than 100 countries participating in this scholarship. The second scholarship is Turkish government scholarship, which is also fully funded, and it includes also the flights. So you will get the ticket from your home country, university where you will be studying in Turkey. All the universities in the country are participating in the scholarships, and you can apply again for all the degrees and all the programs, including specific programs like medicine, biology, engineering, math, and etc. So talking about the eligibility, there is age limit for each programs. Please look at it. And there are 2 possibilities about the language. It can be your program can be in the Turkish language or in the English language, depending on which program and university, of course, you will choose. But if you choose the Turkish program, you will have 1 year of preparation course and you learn Turkish, and then after you will start the program itself. Again, check the website of the scholarship and watch the video about the scholarship, and we are going further. The third one is Chivning Scholarship. Maybe you have heard about it, and this is a fully funded again scholarship in the United Kingdom, but the only thing is that you will be able to apply only for master degree, and this master degree is usually 1 year in the United Kingdom. So all the universities in United Kingdom are participating in this program, and you can also choose any program that you want in the United Kingdom. There are the list of the eligible countries, but it's a lot, so most probably that you can find your country in the list, and again check the website. So the specific things about Chivning Scholarship is that you have to have specific work experience, at least 2 years of experience, or it's approximately 2,800 hours. The next thing is that before applying for the scholarships, you have to apply separately to the 3 universities and get at least 1 unconditional offer from the scholarship, and separately apply for this program. Okay, the next scholarship is Swiss Excellence Scholarship. It's very interesting scholarship, but unfortunately not all the degrees and programs are included in the scholarship. Only people with art specialization can apply for it, and if you are applying for art specializations, then it means that you can apply only for master degree. If you want to apply for research or research fellowship or PhD, This here you can have more options, of course, and the programs that you can apply again depend on the country where you come from. The countries, participating countries are like the list of the participating countries is quite big. It's 180 countries, more than 180 countries. So I am sure you will find your country here for sure. And again, link will be below. All the universities in Switzerland are participating in this program. The last scholarship is the Australian Award Scholarship, and this scholarship is provided to a lot of countries and territories, mostly in Asia, Pacific, and African continent. And very important, they occupied the territories of Palestine. So you have to find your country in the website and see the eligibility there, because depending on the country where you're from, the eligibility will be different. And again, the programs you can apply for will depend on where you come from, because there are priorities and the spheres that your country lacks most. These scholarships will give specific opportunity to study there. So because one of the conditions of the scholarship is that after completing your studies you have to go home. But as far as I have researched, there are a lot of programs. So if you're applying for I don't know, specific programs like marine, I don't know, engineering or fishing or health, medicine, most probably you will find it in the scholarship. Hope you like this video, and please share in the comments any other scholarships that you know, so other people will see and benefit from it. And thank you so much for supporting my channel. It's very, very important for me. And if you subscribe and if you hit like, or if you send this video to any person who is interested in this topic, I would really, really appreciate it. See you in my next videos.